Do you think this equation has a solution? Or do you think the value of s can be determined using complex numbers? Let's see how we can solve this. I have a similar video on another equation. Here you watch at the end. Now, look at something here. What if I write this as x? I will take this inside, the x inside, then 2 outside. Indices permit us to multiply the powers because x times 2 is still 2x. Then here, x into x, raised power x equals to 20. This is fine, right? We can do something here. What if I say let x raised power x equals to maybe y, such that y squared plus y equals to 20. If you check closely, we are getting there. So y squared plus y minus 20 equals to 0. We can solve this as a quadratic equation by factorization method. If you multiply this by this, it will give you minus 20 y squared. So the two factors there will be minus 4y plus 5y. That gives you positive y, or 5y minus 4y. So give you this. So whichever one, I will use y squared, maybe plus 5y minus 4y, which will give me positive y there. Then minus 20 equal to 0. By grouping, I will have this minus 4y minus 20 equal to 0. That means y is y plus 5 here, the first bracket. The second is, what is common is minus 4. Note, it's not 4, it's minus 4. So that we'll have here as y, positive y. Check. Then 20, you see, minus 20 divided by minus 4. Then this will go 20 divided by 4 is 5. So, and it's positive 5. So you can have this to be the same. Then you can group the bracket, minus 4 there, then y plus 5 equals to 0. From here, it means that it is either y minus 4 is 0 or y plus 5 is 0, or both are 0. So you can solve for y from there. You can solve for y. Now, y minus 4 equal to 0. That means our y equals to this one cross over here to be 0 plus 4, or y equals to 4. So if we consider this bracket, y plus 5 equal to 0, y equals to 0 minus 5, so y equals to minus 5. That means our y is either minus 4 or 5. But we will check the positive value of y, which is this one. Oh, sorry, I made a mistake here. Y is 4 or minus 5. 4 or minus 5. So we take the positive value of y, which is 4. Now we said let x is about x equals to y. Now when y is 4, x about x equals to y being 4. So 2 squared is 4. So if you compare x equal to this equal to this, that means our x equals to 2. Now let's prove. Let's prove there. When x equals to 2 as obtained from here, let's prove we have here as 2 into 2x, that's 2 times x plus x into x power x. Let's see whether it's equal to 20. This is 2 2 times of 2 times 6 is 4 plus 2. Now 2 raised to the power 4 is 16, and 16 plus 4 is what? Obviously it's 20. So our value of x being equal to 2 and y equal to 4 was correct. You can watch another video still on something like this. See it at the end of this video. So I have more of this. You're preparing for GCSE exams, preparing for Olympiad examination, SAT, IPMAT, NEET, and many other exams. They are on this video. Search Prepare One and watch. For more of this, like, share, and very importantly, subscribe. Turn on the bell so that you will get notified each time I upload. See you in my next video. Bye.